So welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm just taking a walk over to my ground to get some corn. Yeah, because you know see I can't time now, you understand? So just watch this video to the end. Thank you. All about my viewers. Water like crazy. Run bush.
Yo, support the movement as a Colonel King representing for all in the vlog. Yo, support the movement as a Colonel King representing for all in the vlog. Like, share, subscribe, isn't it? Support the movement as a Colonel King representing for all in the vlog.
Good morning YouTube, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time of seeing this video. So right now the time about 5:30 a.m. and on my way over to my ground to cut out some ready corn. So I'm just say right now I bring this morning with me as I go to my viewers. So join me now as I'm heading down inside of the bush now to see what is going on. Run bush. So my brethren going this side so it's in planting there. Cassava. My brethren corn them. I bridging corner okay them. Walk into the bush in the early morning, my viewers. Long me not come over here. So this is what ground look like in the early morning. Long me not come over here. How long I don't come over here, my viewers? You know how long? The cassava pull out, so I don't even know. If you continue, if you get the rain, my viewers, I'm sure, you know. See, river you come up. So if you get the rain today and tomorrow, you know, see, more water, and the water will come over because see the water there right here, so. Come up on the bank here now. Yeah, my viewers, see me up umbrella for sure. Say what a cracker strike, a rain. Rain like wow. Crazy rain. Heavy rain of fall. Crazy rain of fall. Oh, different kind. Wow. Yeah, my feet, so beating and raining. Heavy showers of rain. Wow, water on the road. Water all about my viewers. Water like crazy. Heavy rain, my viewers. Heavy rain. Rain like wow. Rain like crazy. Wow. So rain, my viewers. Rain. Yeah, neat rain I go through. Long man I walk in a rain. Long I walk in the rain.